We had a lost decade between 2006 and 16. Nothing happened. E&P is a sector where you have to plan for the next 3, 5 and 10 years. I mean, everyone knows how expensive it is to drill an oil well. Onshore, it can cost you as much as $4 million for one oil well. Offshore, it may cost you $100 million. And you know, when big discoveries are made, like in Guyana, people was to tell me that they dug 16 offshore oil wells, didn't find anything, and when they dug the 17th oil well, each costing $100 million, then they struck gold. But actually that story is not even entirely correct. In many cases you have to dig more than 17, in some cases 30. So when we opened up, and you want to use the word opened up, we had to undo the damage done, or the neglect, or the criminal neglect of the 10 years between 2006 and 16. Nothing happened in that period for a variety of reasons. There were policy shortcomings, there were other malpractices. I don't want to go into that. But in 2016, after the Honorable Prime Minister opened up he assumed responsibility, Pradhanji was the Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister, we did several very important things. One, we moved from production sharing to revenue sharing arrangements, which earlier is very easy. You tell a person to come and invest. When he comes and invests, he doesn't find anything. He will go back and say, and then if you find oil and you had the old mindset, you would turn around and say, ye to hamara sovereign hai. But today we say, come, invest with us, let's find the oil. If we find the oil, we will do the revenue sharing. Secondly, I think the Honorable Prime Minister took a very courageous decision a little later, when out of the 3.5 million square kilometers of our sedimentary basin, 1 million square kilometers, which was regarded as a no-go area because of concerns of defense establishment, DRDO, Coast Guard, Navy, it was not open for investment. We have opened that up. Very happy to tell you that in the 9th round of bidding, I think something like 38% of the bids came in this 1 lakh square kilometers. And the 10th round of bidding, which is now in process, I think a very large number will come there.